Uh, Good evening to all the participants present today for this webinar on ABS engineering plastic tube for different applications, organized by Siddhi Group, Ahmedabad, India. I am Rohan Satwara, the organizer come host for today's webinar, supported me by Hardik Patel as a co-host. Before we proceed for the webinar session, allow me to brief you on few points about this Zoho webinar platform. This webinar presentation is for about 15 minutes and later 10 to 15 minutes for questions and answers session. For the better flow of webinar, all participants are requested to remain on mute for the entire session. After completion of presentation, we will run two polls asking for your ratings from 1 to 5 star, wherein 1 star will be least and 5 star will be highest ratings. Later, the session will be open for questions and answers next for about 10 to 15 minutes, wherein the participants having any question, one has to type the same in Q&A tab. Question in Q&A tab can also be shared even during webinar, but the answer will be given during questions and answer session only. Any participant who wants to speak after the webinar, please click on the raise hand button and we will allow to unmute and speak. Introducing to all the three partners of the organization. First, Mr. Shailesh Patel, founder and managing partner. Second one, Mr. Prashant Gandhi, founder and managing partner. And third one is Mr. Bhagwat Patel, again founder and technical partner. For today's webinar, Mr. Shailesh Patel is the speaker and presenter who is partner of Siddhi Group and ex-president of GSPMA. With this, I invite Mr. Shailesh Patel to open our webinar. Over to you, Mr. Shailesh Patel, sir.
Good evening, friends. Thank you for joining this technical webinar on ABS and engineering plastics tubes for varieties of applications. Now let me start the presentation for the same. I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen is visible?
No, not up till now.
Yes, still it is.
It is not visible, Shailesh bhai.
Yes, visible now.
Now visible?
Yes.
ABS tube, Samruddhi Engineering, a leading manufacturer of ABS tubes for a variety of applications. Before we proceed to ABS tubes, let us introduce you our group firms also. About Siddhi Group, total 3 decades of experience in aluminum precision drawn tubes and metal cups. Who are we? We are diversified group with holding 2 companies, Siddhi Engineers, who are the manufacturer of aluminum precision drawn tubes from 20 different alloys since 1988, and Samruddhi Engineering engaged in manufacture of metal cups, that is bobbins, spons, for synthetic yarn winding industries since 1992, and ABS and engineering plastics tubes. Strategically located in the western India to wide range of industrial segments, city called Ahmedabad. Our products are used across multiple industries, textile, including packaging, aerospace and defense, industrial and general engineering. Our innovation-led journey that aimed import substitution for India. From 1988, we have put our journey, started manufacturing aluminum precision drawn tubes. Then in 1992, we have diversified to manufacture metal cords for synthetic yarn winding. 1993, commence export within first 6 years of operations. In 2003, entry into aerospace and defense sector by supplying to Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. In 2006, ISO 14001 certified and established an environment management system. In 2014, AS 9001 certified for aerospace products. In 2017, received patent for process of induction hardening treatment at steel cheese tubes, age for high impact resistance. In 2019, know-how transfer agreement with Space Application Center, ISRO. About Samruddhi Engineering, a leading manufacturer of world-class acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, that is an ABS and engineering plastic tubes. Again located in Ahmedabad, our products are used across multiple industries like antennas, chilled water pipes, children playhouse and toys, suction pipe for blowguns, filter tubes, and other applications also. Our manufacturing and quality assurance capabilities, we have annealing furnace, sleeve heating arrangements, draw benches for aluminum precision rod tubes, precision cutting machines, adapter fitting arrangements, spindle guide fitting arrangements, COP assembly, running measurement arrangement, and COP vibration checking arrangements. That helps us manufacture wide range of products, aluminum precision drawn tubes, metals and plastic cups, aluminum and steel cheese tubes, plastic tubes and accessories. Awards and certificates. We have been awarded from the varieties of different associations and central government also. Total we have received 45 plus awards, and again we are counting more to come, like Export Excellence, Research and Development, Entrepreneurship Award, Make in India Awards. Bank has also awarded us. Society of Aerospace Manufacturers also had awarded us Best Lecture Award, Innovation and Manufacturing Excellence Award. Our firms are ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management Certified Company, 14001 2015 Environment Management, and EN 9100 2016, that is Aerospace Products Certification. We have varieties of patents we have applied, one patent we have received, and 5 patent applications are in process. That is, the patent which we have received is process for induction hardening treatment at the steel cheese tubes, age for high impact resistance. Then process for manufacturing aluminum alloy cheese tubes. Another patent we have applied for manufacture of cheese tubes, jumbo tubes. Manufacturing of steel cords, bobbins, punch for synthetic yarn winding. Again, one more patent for method of manufacturing aluminum tubes for telescopic mast. And we have applied one patent in Israel for process for manufacturing steel cheese tubes, jumbo tubes, pipe for woven sacks, and cords, bobbins, and punch for synthetic yarn industries. Innovative team and culture building practices being adopted at our organizations are daily exercise, prayer, and good news sharing, quarterly Karma Yogi meet, graveyard for negative thoughts, good book every month to all the team members with their salary, and we are happy to inform the audience that till now we have distributed 112 books. So this is almost more than 8 years continuously without a single drop we have achieved this. Blood donation and dental health checkup camp at our factory. media publications. We have been covered by varieties of medias due to our contribution to different varieties of applications like Mars mission. Our tubes are used for Moon mission. Also, our tubes are used, and rightly pointed out by sky is the limit to the aspiration. See, now let us come to the ABS tube, where what we can do on the ABS tubes and where it can be used. ABS tubes have, because it's an engineering plastics, ABS is an engineering plastic, so you can do threading, knurling, plating, grooving, and notching also it is possible on these tubes. Various thermoforming operations on ABS is like shrink and expand. You can shrink one end, you can expand also without any problem. Varieties of grades available at Samruddhi Engineering for tubes, that is anti-static grade available, high impact grade is also available, UV stabilized grade is also available, fire retardant grade is also available, high tensile grade is also available, and glass fiber is also available in the grade. So you can have the tubes with all this grade material available with us. ABS tube range, outer diameter is 10 mm to 75 mm, thickness is 1 mm to 4 mm, and length as per customer's requirement, but limited to 5.5 meters for easy transportation from one place to another place. ABS tubes, the colors are available is natural, blue, gray, green, black, violet, red, and any other special color can also be developed depending upon the quantity required by the customers. Now, regarding end applications, our ABS tubes can be used for filter cartridge, RO systems, and it is because it is durable. It has wide range, temperature range. That is, ABS can withstand minus 40 degrees centigrade to plus 75 degrees centigrade. It is also have the best impact resistance properties. Antenna, good, because being an engineering plastics and due to sun added in this, it has a good surface finish. UV stabilized tubes also is available because antennas are mostly used for outside applications. So it is an optional. Customers can choose UV stabilized tubes, and low heat conductivity also. It's an inherent property of ABS. Vacuum blowgun, that is end expansion and end contraction is possible. Good surface finish and impact resistance. Again, engineering plastics. Children playhouse and other toys. Durable due to high impact resistance, lightweight with high tensile strength, and good surface finish due to presence of styrene. And for this we have three different connectors are also available. 120 degree connector is available. We have already molds and everything there. 45 degree connectors and normal connectors. I would like to play a video for ABS tube.
शैलेश भाई ऑडियो हाँ ओके ओके
This is the contact details of Samruddhi Engineering. We have domestic inquiries and export inquiries. You can send the mails. This is our website. You can visit our websites. Thank you very much for patient listening. Now, Rohan, you can take charge and have a question answer. If anybody have any questions, please.
Thank you, Mr. Shailesh Patel, for this wonderful briefing and presentation. Now, allow me to run two polls as discussed in opening session. Now the forum is open for question and answers. Now the forum is open for questions and answers. If anybody want to ask any question, and the answer will be given by the Shailesh sir and Bhagwan sir and Prasad sir.
Shailesh ji, one question I have received is about, they are asking whether you can produce tubes with a good glossy finish from inside.
Yes, we can. It will be like mirror finish. Because see, ABS is an engineering plastic, and due to styrene is available in that, it has a excellent surface finish, and you can have a mirror finish. Definitely, you can have a mirror finish inside and outside also.
One another question was that can this be utilized for filter cartridge? What is better, extrusion or molding?
Actually, if you look at the process, extrusion process is better than molding, because in molding you will have some there will be a joint, because in molding material will be plunged and it will be mixing, while in extrusion it's a process where the material gets mixing inside the screw barrel, and the full form in tube form it will come outside from the die. So as compared to molding, the strength will be better here. There will be no joint in inside or outside, and in molding it is a injected material will be injected, so there will be a spot will be there on the tube also.
We have received one question. What is the life of UV stabilized ABS tube, sir? If you can please put some light on it.
See, UV stabilized, it have a better life compared to non-UV stabilized. Like non-UV stabilized material, it can last outside in the outside application, say for 2 years or 3 years or something like that. But UV stabilized material, if you go in the direct sunlight also, it can withstand. It can be have a life of say 7 to 10 years like that.
Thank you, sir. And sir, there is somebody who is asking for what sort of profiles tubes are available. Only round tubes, or do we have any option for supplying in some other shapes?
We can supply square, rectangular, even sometimes if people if they ask, we can develop hexagonal also, but it depend upon the quantity and the size, because we have limitations up to 75 mm diameter. So if circumference is 75, then we can develop square, rectangular or hexagonal also.
Right, sir. Thank you. And along with this, sir, I would request also Bhagwat sir and Prashant sir to please turn on your camera so that all the three partners are being seen on the screen, and everybody are aware for all the attendees. Thank you, sir. So, any more questions, Mr. Rohan? If you have any more questions, can be addressed, please.
One more question I am seeing, that is, can it be used for in pressure applications? Yes, it can be used. It can withstand pressure of 10 bar without any problem. Retardant grades can be used where there is possibilities of getting fire. That due to fire retardant grade, it can prevent the fire. Like electrical conduit, if you use ABS tubes, fire retardant grade tubes, then due to some spark, there are not it is not possible to catch the fire, because plastic is have a tendency to catch the fire, but if it is a fire retardant grade, it will not catch the fire.
Shailesh, there is one question from Amitabh Pandey. He is asking, just for my knowledge, wish to know about the process through which we can provide the surface finish in the ID of ABS tubes. Amitabh, basically ABS itself contained butadiene and also SAN. So both material are quite glossy material. So by maintaining the proper temperature as well as the tooling finish, we can get the better ID surface finish.
Mr. Kaushal Raj has asked the questions that what will be the minimum quantity required for some special shape. See, minimum quantity requirement will be say around 250 kg, but then we have to bear the tool cost, because if it is a special case shape, rest 250 kg is enough for special shape. Can we use for pneumatic cylinders? See, for pneumatic cylinders, you need very much close tolerances. Finish will be there, but being a hot process, dimension controls you receive in aluminum, same cannot be possible in this hot process in extrusion.
See, Rajguru, I will try to answer your question. Can we use for pneumatic cylinder? Basically, the pneumatic cylinder ID tolerance requirement is very stringent. So we need to go for H11 ID tolerances. And for this ABS tubes, because it is a hot extruded product, tolerance is quite wide than H11. So because of that, the efficiency of pneumatic cylinder will not be good. So as it is, without any further processing, ABS tube cannot be used for pneumatic cylinder. But definitely, if we use very thicker ABS tubes, and we can develop some type of machining whereby we achieve the H11 tolerance from the ID, then probably along with the better surface roughness, because whenever there is a pneumatic application, because of the moving part, piston is moving inside the tube cylinder, surface roughness should be less than 0.6 micron, RA, roughness average value. And in this case, after machining, this surface roughness will be more than 1.6 micron. So we need to work it out how best surface finish can be achieved without machining, as well as tolerance can be achieved, so that it can be used for the pneumatic cylinder. But as of now, as extruded, it is not possible to use as a pneumatic cylinder. Thank you, Rajguru, for your question.
Somebody has raised hand. Can you check, Rohan?
Amitabh Pandey has raised hand.
Amitabh sir, Amitabh Pandey ji.
Allow him to speak.
पांडे जी माइक अनम्यूट हो गया है, आप बोल सकते हो.
Yeah, it is already being unmuted. Amitabh ji, you can speak now. Okay. So one more question from Amitabh is regarding use of ABS tube for telescopic application. Amitabh ji, as I understand, for telescopic application, ABS tube mechanical property does not withstand the wind load and head load. So because for telescopic application, we need to go for higher mechanical properties, whereas this ABS tubes is not comparable with that 300 megapascal mechanical properties. So it does not allow us to use ABS tube for telescopic application. One more question, Shailesh bhai. Can you share your currently made sizes and shapes so that we can keep it in mind while designing? I do not know his name.
Kausal Raj.
Okay. So Kausal Raj, we can share you the our catalog along with the sizes available with us and can be manufactured. maybe we will connect you after our webinar, Kaushala.
Sir, all the participants, I would like to draw your attention that post this webinar, we are going to share the even presentation as well as you will be redirected to our website wherein all the technical informations will be available. Thank you.
Okay, then if
Can we
there
now
is no
finish the
question, then
presentation?
thank you all for
Joining the webinar.
participating. Actively participated. I think we must appreciate that many participants has actively participated and raised the questions. You are most welcome to visit our website, and you can send inquiry to our mail also. We will be happy to serve you. Thank you very much.